My name is Doina Bain, and I will present Speak Out, a web app for online therapy and web counseling. This work is co-authored by Shapshri Anand, James Androvasco, Wolfgang Bain, and myself. When people suffer from issues like workplace stress, financial stress, marital stress, family stress, bullying, domestic violence, peer pressure, anxiety, relationship issues, parenting, loneliness, depression, and other, they try to avoid it, either by saying life is just this or by comparing their problems with others. Distracting yourself from the problem is a temporary solution which will give rise to permanent problems. The problem we attempt to solve through our web app is to find whom to share our issue. Judgment takes seconds, but it's understanding that takes time. Online therapy, also known as web counseling, allows one to get trained listener and professional therapist with who can share problems or thoughts and might be able to shift one focus from problems to solution. We propose to develop a web app for online therapy called Speak Out, which connects users who need counseling to professional therapists who will listen to you without any judgment and can be consulted for serious issues just with a few clicks. There are existing online solutions, and I'll present 5 of them. The first one, 7 Cups of Tea, is an on-demand emotional health service and online therapy provider. It anonymously and securely connects user to listener in one-to-one chat. MinSale is another online solution. It provides bite-sized coaching sessions to users for learning various breathing exercises, meditation, and affirmations. It provides 5-minute daily boost. Talkspace offers licensed therapists for significantly less money than the traditional therapy. BetterHelp is the world's largest e-counseling platform which provides accessible, affordable, and convenient professional counseling. Amwell connects the user to board-certified doctors 24 hours a day using any device such as phone, tablet, or computer through video conferencing. Our web app has the following login place. Will allow login for user, login for listeners, for therapists, and also provide information to guest users who do not want to register. After signing up, the user is provided with a list of listeners with their category list. The user can select the category he or she needs to have a conversation. The user can also video chat with the listeners. For the users who are considering therapy from professional therapists, they can directly connect to therapists and can talk to them anytime, anywhere based on availability of the therapist. Speak Out allows users to help others by volunteering as listener. Any user can become a listener after he or she passes an online listening quiz. After that is passed, he or she will be redirected to the listener sign-up form. The professional certified therapists who want to join Speak Out need to fill the sign-up form and are provided with the same feature as the listeners. There are 5 types of users. The users who need help, who are registered users. There are also guest users who are not required to register. They are the listener, the therapist, and the admin. The registered users are the ones who need therapy. They need to create an account. The account requires them to provide several pieces of information. They also need to include their preferred time and preferred gender of the listener or the therapist. They can see and they can choose from the list of listeners and therapists. That list will include their username also, using a drop-down menu. They can connect to the listeners and therapists via a text chat. This connection will send a notification to the listener or the therapist that the user has selected them. For example, this is a list of 2 listeners. The first one is Varan J and has an email address, and the category is relationship. The second one, the name is Divani 14, and also it's relationship. The first listener has preferred days on Sunday, and the preferred time is in the morning. The other may have different. This is just a snapshot. The therapist, for example, we have now a snapshot of 2 therapists. One is Rajendra, and category is depression, and preferred days it's Tuesdays, late afternoon from 2 to 5 p.m. The second one is Shyam 65, category is anxiety, preferred date is Wednesday, and preferred time is evening from 5 to 9 p.m. A video chat feature is also provided to the user, through which they can get their media and send that URL to the selected listener or the therapist. So the connection is initially a chat, and the chat will include an URL, and the URL will be sent to the listener or the therapist. And once the listener and the therapist gets the channel, a WebRTC data channel is open, and the 2 can discuss using text. They can also send video, and that is in real time. The guest user have access to the home page, the About Us page, where they can get more information about Speak Out. There are also various blogs provided. They can ask any queries using the contact form. In the contact form, if they wish, they can provide their name, email address, subject regarding the question, and their message. A blog for the most common issue of the recent times are provided to the guest users, and they can go through the blog. So the main feature for a guest user is the blog and the contact form. The guest user cannot do not have access to the registered therapist and listeners. So in order to get access, they need to become a registered user. Listener, they can edit their profile, which includes the categories they are good at, their availability, which includes the day and the week and the time. In this prototype, we allow a single day and a single time interval, but a future extension will include multiple days with multiple time intervals, also for the single day or multiple days. So the user will select a listener. Listener will receive a notification using a URL link, and we saw in the previous slides how that it's being done and how the communication look like. The listener and the therapist are not given the option to send a chat link to the user. This feature is only for the user, so only the user can choose a listener or the therapist which suits them better. Each time the user selects or clicks on the select button, he or she will receive a new chat URL. And this is an example of various users providing chat to various times, and the administrator has access to this list, the same as the registered users. Listeners are people who like helping people, and they volunteer for it. A registered user or a guest user can volunteer as a listener by completing a form, which collects the name and email address of the volunteer and redirects them to the online listening quiz. This quiz contains few questions, and those questions are related to the qualities a listener must possess. After passing the quiz, the volunteer will be redirected to the listener sign-up form. After login, the listener account will have a profile page. and the listener can edit and update their information. Listeners will receive notification from the user with a chat URL, and we saw how that Windows looks like. But again, a listener cannot initiate a video chat unless a user gives a video chat URL to the listener. Professional therapists. Speak Out provides a feature for professional therapists to join after completing a sign-up form and providing verifiable credentials. A therapist, like a listener, can edit and update their profile. They can also receive notification from the user who want to connect with a chat URL provided by the user. The admin manages the profiles of the user, listener, and therapist. It can add, update, and delete the categories from which the listeners and the therapists are selected. It can view and delete the notifications sent by the user to a therapist or a listener. The notification will show the actor who sends the information and the recipient username. The main feature of Speak Out is text and video chat. Once the user sends a request and the listener or the therapist connects to the same URL, they can chat. As soon as the WebRTC channel is open, that means both the user and the listener or the therapist are active, and they can chat, sending emails, sending text messages in real time. They both are allocated a random emoji every time. Any participant can leave by clicking on the back button or closing the chat window. Each time the user clicks on the select button, he will receive a new chat URL. The conversation remains between the user and the listener, but they can also be monitored by the administrator. Remember, the video chat is initiated by the user. The main purpose of our web app Speak Out is to help those in need by matching user to available listener and therapist. A couple of extensions can be done to improve the quality of this project. A feedback feature can be given to listener or therapist for them to have reviews and have reviews being viewable by guest user or users. Self-help services such as exercises, audio-video lecture from some life coach or counselor or meditation technique can also be added. We can also fetch the location of the users to be provided with the location of the nearby therapist. We can also add booking an appointment with the nearby therapist who also can provide face-to-face therapy. Currently, the app is only in English, so it will be interesting to add a language option to the registration page. If there are any questions, please address them to the author of the paper. Thank you.